Hey everybody, we are in our Guitar Method supplement book. This is one of my all-time favorite books to learn how to play guitar. So we are on number 12, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And there's one thing I wanted to show you. I believe I thought maybe all the songs did a repeat, but Twinkle Twinkle and Yankee Doodle do a repeat. So right here at the end of Twinkle Twinkle, you'll see a double bar line with 2 dots. That means you're going to go all the way back to the very beginning of the song and repeat it. So whenever you see those 2 dots and the 2 lines at the end, go back to the beginning of the song and repeat it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to play with the track that came with this book. And the track is going to play the melody line, which is what you're going to be learning first if you are in the supplement book, and that goes along with our rhythm book. So you are going to learn to play one note at a time and then switch and play chords. So I'm going to play the chord chart, which if you just watch my last video on the key of G chords, which are G, C, and D7. Those are the chords that we need to play in Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So we are going to play this. We're going to go through it 2 times because there's a repeat. And the track will play the melody line. I'm going to play the rhythm line. And then when you practice this track over and over, you can switch going back and forth from the melody line to the chord chart. Okay, so let's get started here. Twinkle, twinkle. It's going to count us in, and then we play. Here we go. Always end on one strum. Okay, have fun with that. Learn the melody line and the chord charts, and you will have a very good lesson with this learning to play guitar.